Hello you guys, this is Roman from Animotica team with another video. If you like to change the music in your video to a better one, Animotica can help you do that easily. Let me show you how it's done in very few steps. Step number 1. From your Animotica editor, hit on thumbnail to reveal your editing options. Step number 2. Click on sound, select detach audio and tap delete to remove the existing audio. Step number 3. Select add audio and you'll be taken to Animotica's library of royalty-free music. If you'd like to use music from your storage, hit select file to upload it. That's all, you just remove the old music and replace it with a new one. Do you have any questions? Let us know in the comments. Once again, thank you for watching this video. This was Roman from Animotica team. See you very soon again. Bye.